Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Jamaica in 5. Today we're going to be driving through Portmore. We're on the Portmore Expressway heading towards the Portmore town center. Now Portmore is in St. Catherine and it has the largest population in Jamaica outside of Kingston. It might actually have a population larger than Kingston now. Okay, so we're now coming up to, on the left is the Portmore Mall, and the Portmore Mall is the largest mall in Portmore. Yeah, on the left is the entrance to the mall and also KFC. On the right is Burger King. You're going to find all the major fast food restaurants in Portmore. Some of them even have 2 or 3 locations, depending on where in Portmore they are. Okay, now it has been said that the population in Portmore is so large that it should be a parish by itself. I totally agree with that. I'm not sure why it's taking so long, but Portmore has grown over the years and it has definitely outgrown St. Catherine. It should be a parish by itself. And the government has done an excellent job in fixing up the roads leading into and out of Portmore, so you can get in and on 2 main thoroughways, the Portmore Expressway and also off Mandela Highway. And the government has recently renovated both roads, so there are now highways. Portmore Expressway is 6 lanes, Mandela Highway is 6 lanes that lead to Portmore, and then it turns into 2 lanes as it goes on to Spanish Town. And Portmore has every, how would you say, like every bank, every financial institution, every major department store has a branch here. The only thing Portmore is missing is a hospital, but that should be built soon. I mean, I can't imagine what's holding it up. Maybe just the finances, but Portmore is like a city in itself. You could live in Portmore and have no reason to leave other than probably to go and work outside of Portmore. You have schools, you have police stations, you have health centers, everything you would need except a hospital. Now, Portmore has a lot of residential neighborhoods or communities. We're going to drive through some of those neighborhoods, but not in this video, in another video. Now we're going to look at the new, okay, well, on the left we're going to come up on Mega Mart. Okay, now one of the more popular neighborhoods in Portmore is Edgewater, and that's the turn off for Edgewater on the left. On the right is Bridge View. Okay, the road we're on now is a George Lee Boulevard, and the road that went across the mall, that's Dawkins Boulevard. And George Lee was a mayor in Portmore, and the road was named after him. This road that we're on now. Okay, that if we turn left, that takes us into Edgewater, and if we turn right, that will take us into Bridgeport. Okay, the community on the right now is Bridgeport, which is another popular neighborhood in Portmore. And Edgewater is a large neighborhood, and so is Bridgeport. A lot of homes. It's a very large residential area. Both of them. Straight ahead is a quarry, but I don't think it operates as a quarry anymore. I think they were banned from mining over there. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, we're just on the right is Bridgeport, another entrance. Straight ahead is Port Henderson Road, and this road was recently renovated. As we said, the government is doing an excellent job in renovating these main roads. They have identified that, let's take an example, Portmore, the population has boomed in the last few years, and they realized that the roads to get into Portmore weren't adequate, and also the roads within Portmore weren't adequate for the amount of persons living over here. So this is George Lee Boulevard was recently renovated, and now we're turning right onto Port Henderson Road, and as you can see, this road was also recently renovated. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.